Yeah, I look like Bambi. I look like the human version of Bambi's aunt that got hit twice. Okay, let's get started. Hi guys. It's interesting to start a video out looking like this. I will 100% say that. My name is Allison. Welcome back to my channel. So this is a continuation of doing Bambi a little quick Halloween deer makeup to look adorable. If you want to look like a deer, if you want to look adorable, you have a quick little thing to go to. I'll link that video below, up here somewhere, etc, etc. But this is my little quick update to that. I initially did this look last year. I didn't film it. I don't know why. I did this like passing out candy for Halloween and I really enjoyed it. There's a bunch of different ways you can do this, whether it's with SFX gelatin, which I think is what I actually used last time. I'm going to show you how to use latex today. I actually took apart a cotton ball and made these little bullet hole rings just by twisting cotton around the tip of my pinky. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And then I used some fake blood. Again, last year I used some red gelatin so that way I could touch my face. It didn't matter. But I want to continue to just use different shit just to use it up, you know, whatever. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna zoom you in to my forehead. Hey. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching my part 2 of my how to channel your inner deer. Unfortunately this time we got shot. Hopefully you learned something. If not, that's cool too. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up while you're here. Like, subscribe, all that magic, and I'll see you in the next video.